Hello guys, who's watching my video today? So I'm gonna make a video, shooting a video of doing my own sandwich. So let's get started. So I'm gonna have a lot of cheese, obviously.